Okay. We are on page 338, factors and multiples. Look at the top of the page. Using products. Every whole number has at least two factors, that number and one. Okay, when we're talking about multiplication, what is a factor? Lucy?
It's one of the numbers that you're multiplying.
One of the numbers that you're multiplying. So for every whole number, it has at least two factors. It has that number and one. You know this because you've learned the properties of multiplication, right? The identity property of multiplication, remember, is what?
One.
What's the identity property? Raise your hand and tell me. Okay?
One.
It has to do with one. It has to do with one, yeah. Lucy?
It's one.
It has to do with times one. Paris? Okay. Stephanie?
It is one?
It has to do with one. Okay?
Well, if you had like 1 times 48, it would be the same answer.
Yeah. When you multiply 1 times any number, you get that number. So, we're just going to kind of reverse our thinking a little bit. If we have a number, we know that to get to that number, we could multiply 1 times that number. We're just kind of taking that same property and reversing our thinking. Okay? So, if we want to find one factor of 1 factor of 11, we could say 1 and 11, right? 1 and 11 are factors of 11, like it says there in your book. Or 1 and 9 are factors of 9. That just means numbers that you can multiply to get 9. Or numbers that you can multiply to get 11. Okay? Yes?
Okay, so the 1 times 1 thing, you can easily remember that if you remember the 11 times
Right.
something.
Right. Right. Mm-hmm.
You can remember that is 1 and 1, and 44, that's
Right.
how you get it.
Well, we're just worrying about the identity property right now. We're just talking about 1 times the number is that number. That's all we're talking about right now. Now look at the next line there. Many numbers can be broken into factors in different ways. So 16, we know because we know our multiplication tables, because we're intelligent 4th graders, we know that 4 times 4 equals 16. So if I told you to give me 2 factors of 16, you could write off, say, 4 and 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you know that if you multiply 4 times 4, you'll get 16, right?
Mm-hmm.
When I'm asking you for factors, I'm asking you to give me what numbers you can multiply to get a particular number. Okay, so if I say factors of 16, you need to think, what numbers can I multiply times each other to get 16? Okay? And those would be 4 and 4. Also, 2 and 8. You can multiply 2 times 8. You also multiply 1 times 16. Okay? Here's a way to find our factors of a number. Think about 36. Can you think about some numbers that you could multiply to get 36? Just off the top of your head. Lucy?
6 times 6.
6 times 6 would get you 36. Good. What else? 7?
4 times 9.
4 times 9 would get you 36.
6 divided by things.
We're just multiplying. This is factors. Factors. We're multiplying. Okay? Okay.
12 times 3.
12 times 3. Okay. Any others?
18 times 2.
18 times 2. Good.
9 times 4.
9 times 4. Now we already said 4 times 9, so we don't have to switch them, but we could say 4 and 9 in whatever order they're in. We left off one that we talked about at the very beginning of the lesson. Okay.
1 times 36.
1 times 36. Okay. Now here's one way we can find our factors. We can make arrays, like it says in your book. All right. We can just organize these different squares in certain ways. I'm just going to use tick marks on the board rather than drawing squares. You can do this on your whiteboard too. Okay, so do this on your whiteboard with me. We're going to start with 1. We're going to start with 1 because we know that 1 times a number gets that number. We know that 1 is a factor of every number. So we'll start with 1. And if we want factors of 36 here, we're going to say 1 times what?
36.
36. Okay? So let's start over here. You don't want to make them too big because you got to make 36 of these. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay? There's one array. Alright? Now, let's think one number higher. How about 2? Is 2 a factor of 36? Can you multiply something times 2 and get 36?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, let's do this now. When you make your array, make 1 on top and 1 on bottom. That'll be 2. Okay? And we'll just go back and forth between the 2 lines. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And see how I'm doing this? I'm going top to bottom, top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Alright? So we have 2 rows, and if we counted the number of tick marks in each column, we'd have 18. But in each column, we'd have 18. Okay? This one has 18, this one has 18. So we're saying 2 times 18. Alright? So, don't write this on your whiteboard right now. Just, so far, we have 1, we have 36, we have 2, we have 18. Okay? Alright. Can you multiply 3 times anything and get 36? Everyone?
12.
12. Okay, you can, yes. So let's make another one. Alright, another set of tick marks. Are we all done with the other one? Okay. They don't have to be perfect. Alright? Let's go to the next one. Now we're going to do, since we're doing 3 as a factor, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Start off that way. And go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. So we have 3 rows. And if we counted the number in each row, we would have 12. Okay? So I can say 3 and 12 are factors of 36. Alright? Now let's try, what about 4? Multiply 4 times anything and get 36. Everyone?
4 is 9.
Yes, I could. Okay, so let's do another one. Don't worry, we don't have too many of these left to do. Okay, and we won't always do it this way. I'm just showing you how it works is all. Okay? Alright, let's put 4. Okay, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 to start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay? And if I counted the number in each of my rows, I would find that I have 9. 9. Okay? So, that means 4 and 9 are factors of 36. Okay? How about, let's go one higher. What about 5? Can I multiply 5 times anything to get 36? No, because you know your divisibility rules, and 36 does not end in a 5, so you can't do that. We'll skip that one. Alright? How about 6? Can I multiply 6 times anything and get 36? Yes. Yes, I can. Let's do it. Okay? Let's make one more array here. We'll do it over here. Alright? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Alright? Now if I had actually drawn this in a certain way, it might look like a square. And that would have been perfect, because I know that if I count the number of tick marks in each row, I have 6 in each row. So it's 6 times 6. And when we have that, look up here, we just put the 6 one time. Okay? We don't have to put the 6 twice, because we're multiplying it times itself, and I'm just saying what are the factors of 36, and 6 is a factor of 36. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Alright, now, you don't have to do it that way every time, okay? I'm just showing you how it works. Alright, these arrays show you that all of these numbers could be multiplied times each other to get 36. Alright, now let's look at one, and this will be the way you should actually do it. Okay? So, let's look on page 339. Okay? At the bottom of page 339. And we have 42. Okay? We have the number 42. Write the number 42 on your whiteboard. Okay? And here's how I would work it out, and here's how you should work it out. Okay? I know right off, without even thinking, I know right off, without even thinking, what is a factor of 42? Or what are two factors of 42? Stephanie?
6 times 7 equals 42.
But without even thinking, without even having to think about what numbers I could multiply, what are two numbers that I know right off? And you got to think a little bit to know 6 times 7. Lucy?
9 and 8.
You got to think a little bit to get that, okay?
1 times 42.
1 and 42. Y'all, the first ones you should think about are always 1 and that number. The first two factors you should always think are 1 and the number. So, I'm going to write a 1 over here. I'm going to leave a lot of space. And write 42 over here. Okay? Leave a good bit of space between your 1 and your 42. Because we're going to fill in the rest as we go. Alright? Can I multiply, let's just go up in numbers. Can I multiply 2 times anything to get 42?
No. Yeah. Yes.
Sure I can. What can I multiply times 2 to get 42? Someone raise your hand and tell me. It is an even number, so we know it will. And it won't be found on the multiplication table, but it will work. Okay. kids?
11.